Hello friends, welcome to our latest interior decor inspiration. In this video, we showcase the mesmerizing beauty of glass bubble wall, a stunning addition to any modern living space. Join us as we explore the creative possibilities of incorporating these unique design elements into your home. Discover how the play of light, water, and glass creates a tranquil and captivating ambience that is perfect for relaxation and aesthetics. So, whether you are a design enthusiast or just looking for fresh ideas to transform your living space, this video will spark your creativity. Don't miss out on these enchanting interior decor ideas. Watch now and get inspired to elevate your home decor with these beautiful, stunning glass bubble wall designs. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.